Menteri Tnat sam Bording ke sarkar celah eti mondal hakasngi pelai ula pentip bagat Tnat kala trai klam shong thai ban yo Biang ya Kaba Bording ke ba klam pat Siew de Karkhana Telecom ke badai ban Siew habaya day bat kene habaya kren bat kelat patai ke bor la ong badai ban le ne ban sim kam persha kino ki ban khen pat ki bale persha pada ke ju ke por na ke liang ke Tnat kam kwa asatya ban wan ra jing pat ki pai ba ada kale yakini company na bala da pha kan kerdap sendet no ikitawar kan lam sha kijing yakajing yo network ulapan tibru ba kijing don kam jong kine ki company ban Siew by Bording kan peteng kiru company yat kam kum baju le lang ki we pat kinong pendon kam.
It is not that whether power surplus or not, but the thing is that we got to work now onwards so that in future we are not facing the similar problems what we are facing now. And hydel power project requires a quite long time for its completion. We have seen in other power projects also your hydrological data collection, then to move for all environment clearance, then the land requirement and land acquisition, all these things. After that only real construction starts. I would like to tell you that one project we are almost ready to go ahead, because we are not able to do road construction till the land being acquired. So we are facing problem. Land is not readily available. People are not giving. We are pursuing. If it is done, then one unit we can see. We have given it to NEPCO. They are trying their level best also to pursue the people. We are also trying to convince the people.
So this is to these mobile towers. So have they responded to those your cost notices, or they have paid the amount
No, they have responded to it also.
by paying?
Some they paid.
So any action being taken against the defaulters?
See, actually, those who are defaulters, action should be taken, but at the same time, we don't want inconvenience to our public also, because suddenly the tower shutdown means a network problem. We are in a catch-22 situation. Yeah, we are pursuing with
deadline.
them. No, we are pursuing with them.
And what is their response? I mean, any
Yeah,
sign of them?
some we got. It's not that we did not get. We got also.